What's up, guys? Welcome to Jam Factory. Today we're going to just do a couple of baseline dynos for you. We've got a couple new GT350s on property. If you watched the last episode, you know that we have the 1600R build cars here. We're going to baseline that one. First, we're going to baseline Jeff's car here. This car is here from Canada. It's going to be a 1200R build. We're going to do a baseline on it. This is a 2016 350R. It's only got 49 miles on it, so it's the least mile car that we've ever received. This car is getting the 1200R build. That's going to be our built engine package, twin turbo package, full fuel system, our new RPS carbon twin disc clutch with the factory trans, upgraded axle, suspension. It's going to have our Motec M150 system on it. This car is also going to get a drag pack. If you've seen our other drag packs, this one's going to be a little bit different. This is going to be just a machined wheel, so there's no black on it at all. It's going to be like a polished silver wheel. And then we're going to do a baseline on this, show you what it makes, and then we'll move on to Steve's car and check that one out.
All right, so we're going to bet on the baseline number. What we said, Price is Right rules. Yeah. So if you go over, you're out. Doesn't matter. So we've dynoed enough of these now, we should all be pretty close, but we get fooled every now and then on a high or a low power one.
Usually me.
Yeah, usually what? So our lowest one was like, what, 440 something?
Yeah. 446.
440. Yeah. And then our highest one was a 470?
Yeah, we've had a lot of 470s. I think we had like a 481. Right. Yeah, something like that.
Okay, so we're not going to say out loud what our bets are. We're going to write them down on a piece of paper, fold them up, put them in a little box. We're going to do our baseline hits, best out of 3, highest number wins. Everybody puts in $1, see who gets the money. Yep. So everybody write down your name, or name and number on your piece of paper. You got the, where's the paper at?
It's over here. You need to write one still?
Yeah, I need to write one.
It's 10.
All right.
Oh, Johnny on the spot.
467.
467 on the spot. Is that what you get?
Hell yeah.
Johnny with the win.
Johnny
Finally.
wins one.
Not a Chevy, so I beat Trevor.
Wait, nobody else can get any closer to that, right? Trevor's at 463.
There was a little bit of
I got
door
I had
opening and
462.
traffic adjusting, you know.
It was 458 without the
What was you at 458?
456. Just
Uh,
big fat loser.
You gotta prove it.
I was low man.
Sure. All right, 456.
Yeah.
Looks like Johnny's buying lunch today.
I could get a McValue meal today. Woo. Can't get large though, just medium.
All right, 467 is pretty good for a baseline. That's it's right in there on the upper end of them. So
That's pretty good.
that's good. Let's see if we can make a whole lot more power.
Oh, IOU, man.
All right, guys, we're here with Steve's 2016 GT350R, and this is going to be our second baseline dyno today. Steve's car is here for the 1600R build that we've been talking about. It's going to be the biggest, most powerful GT350 we've ever built. It's going to have all kinds of cool new stuff, bigger turbos. We're going to have some new engine upgrades to it, working with our guys at Fast Forward Racing Engines on that. We're also going to have some more Motec stuff, Motec Digital Dash, more powerful Motec ECU system, dual injectors. We're also going to have a Ppg Sequential Transmission, which we've talked a little bit about. We haven't shown you how one of those works yet. We got a build getting ready to come out with that. We're going to show you that here in just a second. We've also got billet intake manifold, billet valve covers, coil covers. That's going to have our drag pack on it, some really cool suspension stuff, all kinds of really awesome stuff. It's going to make a ton of power. It's going to be a really cool build, and we're going to see how much power it makes now. This car is a little bit modified now. It's got American Racing long tube headers, full exhaust, carbon intake. It's also got a ton of carbon fiber accessories on the outside. But we're going to change it a whole lot, and we're going to show you how much power it makes now. Does anybody have any guesses on what it's going to make? I'm going to say
490. That's my guess.
Trevor says 490. I'm going to go with 485. We'll see what it makes. It's on 93 octane pump gas now, so we'll see what it can do. real quick before we do any power pulls on it, I'm going to show you Jason's GT350 road race build that we're working on that has a Ppg sequential transmission in it. So let's go check that out. So this is the T56 Magnum with the Ppg upgraded gear set. It's a full gear set. It has the sequential shifter. So whenever you're racing this car, running down the track, you're just going to be able to pull back on it, pull back, push down or push up to downshift. It's going to shift lightning fast. Super strong transmissions, ton of fun. You can find videos of these guys on the street, and then we'll have videos of this guy going around the track and on the street as well before too long. And then also I want to show you the intake manifold and the coil covers and valve covers we're using now. So this obviously isn't all the way together yet, but you can see new billet intake manifold, valve covers, coil covers. This is all billet, no more plastic stuff on here. These are going to look great. It's got our new coil covers. You can see these. We got a few builds out there with these now, but these are all new. Got the Fathouse Performance logo on it. Obviously, the 1600R will have a 1600R logo on the intake manifold up there. All right, let's go see what this 2016 350R makes. The last one we just dynoed made 467. All right, guys, so Steve's car made 492 on the dyno. Some pretty good numbers for a basic bolt-on car. We're gonna see if we can turn that up a little bit. Before we go, I wanna show you our new license plate frame brackets. We've got these available on the website. You can check them out on there, and you'll see them on cars around here at the shop. And of course, if you get one built here at the shop, you'll get one included with the build. And make sure to comment on all our videos, drop a comment down below, let us know what you think. Let us know how much horsepower you think the 1600R is gonna make. And then also subscribe to the channel. Make sure to check us out on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you next time.